In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a credit card to your PayPal account. Whether you're new to PayPal or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step, ensuring you have a smooth and secure experience. Let's dive in and get started. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to PayPal's official website by entering paypal.com in the address bar. Once you're on the website, you'll see the login screen where you'll need to enter your PayPal account credentials. Make sure you log in with the correct account to avoid any complications down the road. Once you're logged in, you should now see the PayPal dashboard. From here, our next task is to head over to your profile settings. Look towards the upper right-hand corner of the dashboard, and you should spot a small gear icon. This icon represents your account settings. Go ahead and click on it. You'll be taken to a new page filled with different options for customizing your account. It's where you manage nearly everything from your personal information to notifications. But today, our interest lies specifically in linking your credit card. Next, find and select the tab labeled Wallet, which is located at the top of this settings page. The Wallet section displays all your current funding sources, such as your bank accounts and linked cards. It's an easy way to keep track of how you fund your transactions via PayPal. Now, look for the option Link a Card and click on it. This is located prominently on the Wallet page. You'll be presented with a form asking for details about your credit card. It's essential to be precise while entering your card information. Ensure that your card number, expiration date, and cardholder's name are exactly as they appear on the card to avoid any mismatches or errors during the linking process. Once you've filled in all the necessary fields, double-check to ensure there are no mistakes. Then click on Link Card to proceed. PayPal might ask for additional verification depending on your card issuer to make sure everything is secure. The entire process might take a few seconds as PayPal communicates with your bank to verify the card. And that's it. You've successfully linked your credit card to your PayPal account. With your card now linked, transactions will be more convenient, allowing you to make purchases or send money seamlessly. Remember to routinely check your card details to ensure they're up to date. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more valuable tips and guides. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out in the comments below. Happy shopping!